Let's start. Bismillah, model 3. Using the following model to find fraction. Okay, we know this is 10 by 10 grid, right? And the whole number of small cube are what, or small squares is what, is 100 square. So this is the whole number, and we shade here how much. Okay, we know that each column represents 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what, 46 out of what, out of 100. Can I leave it like this, miss? No, we have to put it in the simplest form by doing what? I will divide up and down by 2. Why 2? Because both of them are even numbers. Okay, 46 divided by 2 equals 23, and 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Do I have any number else is common factor between 23 and 50? No. Why? Because 23 is a prime number, right? How can we write it as a decimal fraction? Well, we can use this form. Why? Because the decimal fraction, we have here the denominator has to be 10, 100, 1,000, or any power of 10, right? Here we have 100, so I can easily put this fraction into decimal fraction. Yes, how can I do this? I will write the numerator as this. I will count places according to the number of zeros. We have here 1, 2 zeros. So I will count from my right hand 1, 2, then put the decimal point, then put 0. So the decimal fraction is what? 0.46. What about the ratio? The ratio here will be what? Yes, it will be as this one or as this one. How can I write it? I will write 23 to 50 or 46 to 100. Okay, 54% of 100 equals, how can we write it? Yes, I have 2 steps to do it, or I have 2 ways to solve it. I can translate this sentence into math by doing what? 54% means 54 out of 100. Of means what in math? Means times 100. Okay, numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. It will be what? 5,400 over 100. Cancel 0 by 0. 0 by 0 equals what? Equals 54. Or we can solve it just by looking. Why? Because 54% means 54 for each 100. If I have here 54 for each 100 and I want to find it for just 100, so it will be what? Yes, it will be 54. I have here trapezoid ABCD. As we can see here, A, B, C, D. But I can see it here, it divided into two shapes. One of them is triangle and the other one is rectangle. Can we find the area of that triangle, DCB? What is the triangle DCB? DCE or DEC. Okay, this is the triangle. How can we find the area of this triangle? Well, I have to know where is the base and where is the height. The base here is 2. And how can I know the height? By finding the perpendicular line. It's what? It's 4 centimeters. So how can we find the area of this triangle? It will be what? It will be half times base times height, which is half times the base, which is 2, times height, which is 4, equals half of 2 is 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. So the area of triangle is 4 centimeters square. Area of the rectangle. It's super easy. Why? Because the area of rectangle is length times width. What is the length? The length here is 6. And what is the width? The width here is 4. 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeters square. So the area of the trapezoid. How can we find it? It equals to the area of the rectangle, a triangle, plus the area of rectangle. So let's add them together. 24 plus 4 equal 28 centimeters square.